I have some exciting news to share with you guys in regards to the new motorcycle purchase.
Let's go for a ride! You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
First off, check out my garage. Is it looking better or what, man? I finally got around to putting up those garage cabinets. I got a really sick deal on, which, by the way, if you want to get all the stuff I mentioned in this video, I'll include links in the description and comment section of this video. But man, this is fairly inexpensive, easy to install, and these things are great quality, man. Check it out. Organizes all my stuff real nice. Even got under cabinet lighting. Check it out. I had to pay extra for this though, real cheap though. And as you guys know, I had this desk. I did a review on this and the Harbor Freight lift table way back. I got this at Harbor Freight too. I'll tell you, you can get some good stuff at Harbor Freight, man. But check it out. I got these new storage bins to help organize my shelves. I got 16 of them for really cheap. If you want to get these, like I said, links in the description and comment section of my video. It makes it look nice and clean. You can store more stuff with this setup too. Check it out, baby. I still have to epoxy the floor and paint the walls a light gray and some other things I want to do and when the weather gets nicer. But man, doesn't that look cleaner?
This is what it looked like before. So junky.
Yeah, buddy, boy. But anyways, in regards to the new motorcycle purchase, I purchased a new bike last Thursday. Like I told you I was. It was either between the Aprilia Tuono or the KTM Super Duke R. And I did purchase one of those bikes, and it will be arriving here tomorrow. So I will do an unveiling video Sunday morning at 7:30 a.m. So stay tuned for that because I have some other stuff I got to do until then. And so it'll be really awesome to compare the new bike to my CBR 1000 II. And you know what I had thought about? I keep thinking every now and then I should go ahead and sell this and get a brand new super bike. But I'll tell you guys, this bike has been flawless. I mean, this is one of the most perfect super bikes for the street. Because I'll tell you guys, this thing, it doesn't emit any heat on you at all, like most other super bikes. When the fan comes on, you can't even hear it. It's super quiet. The fueling is absolute perfection. The thing handles really awesome in the twisties. It's super powerful, has great mid-range. A lot of you guys call this slow. But this bike can actually run 10 seconds in a quarter mile. There's a YouTuber I just saw at the drag strip on basically a stock 2012 CBR 1000 RR, just like mine. He ran 10.3 in a quarter mile, and that's just a moto vlogger, not even a professional rider. I got a bunch of videos coming, guys. I can't wait to ride this new bike, but this weather is freezing outside, man. I hope it's supposed to get warm this weekend, so hopefully I get that first ride in and share that with you guys. So stay tuned for that. And for those of you guys who want to get my gear, you know, my camo pants, my new helmet, gloves, boots, heated gloves, cameras, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all of my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.